Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. I am Mareisa, and in today's video I'll be talking about my first YouTube paycheck, right? But before I get into this video, I'm gonna be lighting some sage. We want some positive energy in here, so I'll be lighting my sage. Alright, I don't want this video here to be like too long, so I'll be trying to get to the point as fast as possible, as fast as I can. Only positive energy, only positive energy. Alright, so give me a second. Alright, good. So as you guys know, I'm monetized on YouTube, and before you get monetized, there are some requirements. So I'm just gonna drop a little requirement, then tell you guys what was my first paycheck that I received on YouTube, right? Before getting monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. That is the requirements, right? After getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, YouTube will then check your channel to make sure everything is nice, like make sure that you're not going against their requirements, you know. So you'll get an email telling you that you're now you can be monetized and all of that good stuff. Then after YouTube done check and make sure that your channel is fine and dandy, then you're not gonna automatically get ads on your channel, right? First you gotta wait for a letter like this, and it's a Google AdSense letter, right? And it's gonna be looking like this, right? So Google will send you that letter in the mail, but some persons stay longer than some. I heard some people say they took like 2 weeks, some say a month, and so on. It took me like, after I received the email, it took me like 4 days. Yeah, because it tell me the Monday, and I received the letter the Friday. Yeah, I received the letter the Friday. So it took me like 4 days, I'll say, before receiving it. So I guess people timing of receiving the letter is different, right? Inside of the letter, you'll have like 6 PIN numbers, and only you and YouTube knows these PIN numbers. You gotta install your PIN numbers, and then ta-da, everything is set. You're now monetized on YouTube. Yeah. So after doing that and you start uploading video, you will start receiving ads on your YouTube channel. Each video you upload, you receive ads on them, right? And that is how you usually get paid on YouTube. And also by 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 views. Okay, so your videos got to be ad suitable before the ads are placed on your video, right? So after you receive your letter, you enter your 6 PIN numbers by going into settings and make sure install that. There's a lot of videos out there that like show you these steps and so on and so forth, right? My advice would be, before starting YouTube, make sure do your researches, right? See what goes and what's not, because there's a lot of things that I learned after, you know, after like being monetized and so on. It had a lot of things and a lot of research I did before, right? When coming to your lighting, if you want to start YouTube and no, lighting is reasonable price, but if you don't have your lighting, use natural light. Do not be discouraged, right? If you can afford a camera, then go ahead and do it. If you can't afford a camera and you have a good phone, then use that good phone. As you grow and all of that stuff on top of YouTube, then you could invest and buy a nice camera and all of that. But if you really want to start YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. Yeah, go ahead and do it. You just have to be like consistent. One of my problem was like when I uploaded video, I was still like 6 months. If you look at my channel, I was still a year. I was dropping on and off before posting. And one thing that I learned is consistency. Consistency is very important on YouTube. YouTube is like a job, right? It's a job. Like the more you post, the more like a commission. The more you post, the more ads you run, the more money, right? Your ads, like you have choices in placing your ads, like all of that stuff. I'll be looking forward to create another couple of videos of my knowledge and my experience about YouTube, right? So what I'm gonna show you guys now, I'm gonna show you guys like my first paycheck ever that I receive on YouTube. More videos, more ads, more money. Also you get paid like per 1,000 view, depends according to your content. Different ads, everybody is not gonna get the same ads on your video. Everybody don't get the same ads running on your video, right? Okay, before I show you guys how much money I make on YouTube, I want to say this, right? Picking your niche on YouTube is very important. If you notice on my channel, I am between niches because I'm still working on what I will more like comfortable doing as a solid, foundation on my channel. But everything I do on my channel, I do enjoy doing it. So eventually I will pick a niche, and I didn't want to go and create like 4 different channels and I don't know what's up and what's not, right? So I'll eventually stick at one niche. So pick a niche, what you love doing. So it come like if you pick a niche, you wouldn't get tired of it. You can wake up every day and do that because it's something that you're like, okay, then it's like a passion, right? It's like a passion, something that I wouldn't get tired of, right? So I have a lot of growing to do. I don't know if I said already, but I have a lot of growing to do. I'm still in my learning process to a certain extent, but I reach at the point where I can share how I got monetized and share. So I hope this video really motivates someone. If you want to do YouTube, do it. Like right now, I am using natural light, and it don't discourage me. I use my natural light, and when I want to use my ring lights, I use my ring lights because natural light is where we start out at before ring light was in. But ring light usually really bring a boost to your videos quality. That's the truth. And yeah, quality really matters. Lighting really matters. Your thumbnail really matters. Those kind of stuff really matters, and that's the honest truth. So my first check on YouTube, I don't get that anymore. But right now, but my first paycheck ever from YouTube was $269 and some. But I'll put it up here for you guys see. I'll put it on this screen for you guys see. And YouTube usually pay in US, usually get paid in US. And YouTube usually pay every month. You usually get paid on YouTube every month. The 21st of every month you get paid. YouTube does not pay unless you reach $100. So you gotta get $100 before you get paid on YouTube. $100 per month, right? If you ain't reach that, it will go over into the next month, right? Okay, yes. So my first paycheck was $269.53, which, as I mentioned, YouTube pays in US currency, and that is like 500 and some dollars. And for someone who wasn't like consistent, yeah, it ain't too bad, like from a first check. So you could imagine if you be consistent and you make your videos and them like quality content and all of those stuff, right? It take time. You gotta be patient and all that. You gotta be patient. Yeah. So that's how much I make on YouTube. That was my first paycheck, right? I can't say my first pitch. I can't speak for everybody because people different, because I might not be consistent and somebody else might be consistent, right? So as a small YouTuber, I wanted to like share that and so on. I hope you guys understanding me like clearly. When I say YouTube don't pay unless you reach $100, that means you got to reach 100 US dollars before YouTube paid you, right? If you reach $99.89, you're not gonna get paid on the 21st. It will go over into the next month and you will get paid. All right, so I'll be doing another video and I'll be talking about like niches and so on and so forth, hopefully sooner than later. Okay, I was lighting my sage throughout this video because, you know, just for positive energy. I hope it didn't distract anyone. Just for positivity. You know, sometimes like your energy, I say just calm me and soothe me and clear the environment and a lot of stuff like that, right? So hope you guys learn from this, and if you want to do YouTube, I'll say go for it. Do your researches and all of that. Be consistent, good titles, good thumbnail, and as I mentioned in this video, right? So yeah, but before I end this video, I want to say thank you guys so much for joining me on my YouTube journey, because without you guys, there wouldn't be a me. Without you, I wouldn't be doing YouTube. So I appreciate you very much. For everybody that reach out to me and encourage me to post more often, I appreciate every single support from the depth of my heart. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you guys on the next one, because there'll definitely be a next one. And I'm out this thing. Bye. See you.